What's up, guys? So I want to do a semi-review of the Smooth Operator by Catalyst Machineworks, and this thing is really neat, really cool. It is partially inspired by their America line of frames. So you can see it's got a staggered arm design where the rear arms are higher than the front arms, separated by two carbon bits here. As well as kind of like they kept the same style ESC bay, but what's interesting in this one here is you've got your ESC bay here in the front, and the rear of the craft will house the flight controller. So it gives you some more space, and makes the frame, it allows it to be lower, making it pretty low profile frame, and you still have enough space for your VTX and your receiver that are housed. The way it's done is underneath the flight controller and the VTX, so still you have room for that for full-size components. It is designed for a micro camera, so you can see there running the Micro Eagle. And what's really cool about this design is it's taken aspects, like I said before, from their America line of frame. The front looks more like their massive droner frame, so they're kind of mixing it all in, and this is their newest freestyle frame. And also another cool thing is Neil, the owner of Catalyst Machineworks, he went on YouTube on the Catalyst page or channel, and he posted from the get-go every single revision, the initial design, and how the revisions came about, and he took input from you guys and came out with this finished product. Now there have been some updates. This is one of the first prototypes, so I'll show you. For example, like I'm running my my Immortal T antenna just with some tape there and some zip ties, but the actual release frames have they do have some 3D printed accessories that you can mount to make it look real nice, plus a rear brace. So really excited for this because I've actually had this frame for probably over 2 months or so, and I haven't gotten around to this review because I had originally had some hype trains on here, and I had one motor go bad when I was trying to do my first flight impressions, and the motors have been out of stock for a while, so I waited, but I just couldn't wait any longer to fly this guy, so I took the Emax spec motors that I had on my spec wad, and I just threw them on here because I couldn't wait to fly this thing. So that's what it's got right now, but I mean, this thing is absolutely fantastic in the air. I've done a first flight already, made sure everything's good, and what I want to do is, for all the technical stuff, and even I think a full build video, is I'll leave the links down below that Neil has posted on the Catalyst channel, YouTube channel. So you'll have everything there on exactly how to put this thing together. You can even go through the design aspects and all the revisions that were made. Check that out, really cool. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and hit some of my local spots here, just 2 parks I have in mind, and get some flight footage and just enjoy this thing. And fair warning, I have not done any kind of flowy freestyle flippy flops flying regularly quite a bit, so don't be too harsh on me. I'm just enjoying flying this thing, and I want to share that. So hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions about the frame, feel free to comment and ask, and check out the videos that I'm gonna link. And thanks for watching, guys. So I'll throw up here a quick edit, flight edit of the few spots, and let me know what you guys think. But so far, I'm loving this guy. Really cool design. Good job, Neil.
Well, if I left anything lost, so you tell your friends and they call your friends, baby, never mind, baby, never mind, never mind, never mind. Well, if I left anything lost, so you tell your friends and they call your friends, baby, never mind, baby, never mind, never mind.
ready now. I ain't gonna fall back down now. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover tonight? I take it with me.
What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind.
I ain't gonna stop right now. Alright, take it on me, ooh baby. Alright, I ever ask, do you wanna see my fire tonight? Take it with me,
What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind.
Alright, I'm ready now. I ain't gonna fall back down now. Alright, I'm take it on me, baby. Alright, I ever ask, are you gonna be my lover tonight? I take it with me.
What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. What if I left and it made no sense? And you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind. If I left and it made no sense, and you tell your friends and they hold your hands, baby, never mind.
Alright, I'm ready now. I ain't gonna stop right now. Alright, take it on me.